excavator, one of my favorite machines. But you can tell this one's tame because somebody has caught him and fixed him up with a little bit of duct tape. But very, very nice machine. The excavator is one of the most important machines on the construction site. It's used for ditching, trenching, and digging. It's a rare species of excavator. I've never seen such a thing, only in the magazines. Let's check it out. Quick, I need my camera. We found it. We must be getting closer. We found its feces. Let's follow the trail. Marvelous. Look at these healthy machines over here. What's that over there? Looks like an injured one. Look at him over there. He's that injured one we spoke of earlier. He must be very, very angry because he's throwing rocks like I've never ever seen. Not like the other excavators that we saw over there. His hand's like this. But he is quite beautiful. Today was a fine adventure. I got to see some spectacular things, but it's so very hot.